Maxim, December 10th, having some pear.
What is this, an organic Bartlett pear?
Yeah. Yummy, yummy.
What do you think, boobers?
Did you see that smile?